Hey guys, just another update. I finally got everything apart. I started putting this one back together, so I had this completely apart too. All my shocks, my rails, everything else for the body, the bumper, skid plate. This is my shock towers and all that, the motor, the receiver, and have the tranny and the transfer case, front diff, rear diff. So yeah, it's completely apart. Everything but the transfer case, the whole, because it got a strip screw, so I'm waiting for my tools so I don't mess up more than I need to. Get the extractor bit for it to get it out, and yeah, so I'm gonna start putting it back together slowly, cleaning it all up. It's all clean. Alright. The rails were all covered in oil and dirt and sand. Now they're all nice and clean. So it's gonna be a fairly new truck when I get done with it, with an old body. So yeah, guys, there you go. It's my I got it all disassembled, and now the fun part, trying to put it back together. Remember where all the screws went? So I looked at the manual, and it doesn't show exactly where everything goes. It just kind of gives you a blown up parts list, so which shouldn't be too bad. One thing about the Redcat is you had a lot of the same screws. Look like 2.5, I think it is, by 10. I think you had a lot of those. So let's see. 2x6, maybe they were 3x10s. There seemed to be a lot of those for the body, for the frame. All this was all either 3x10s or 3x12s, so which will make it a little bit easier. So all right, just a quick update, guys. Now I'm gonna do some when I get everything started back together, and I'll give you an update when it gets back together. We're gonna be waiting for parts and stuff too, because some stuff broke. You know, like all the pins. Half the pins were broke. And then like that screw, I have to wait for a new grub screw to come in for that, plus the tool. So it's gonna take a little bit longer to put back together, but fun. Nice project. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and another thanks to Highway 1 RC, truboyzrc, Life of Coach D, and Gap Reviews AtoZ. Go check out all their channels. Their descriptions will be down there somewhere. So their channels, go check them out. You got good content. So like I said, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.